Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Photos app and select every image you want to combine. Tap the Share button and choose Save to Files as PNG or JPEG. Choose iCloud Drive or on my iPhone as the destination folder. Name the folder clearly so you can find the images quickly. Make sure images are in the same folder and sorted in the order you want them combined. Close Photos and open the Files app to continue with the only way described here. Open the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut named Combine Photos. Add Get File and select the folder where your images are stored. Add Sort Files if you need a specific sequence before combining. Insert Combine Images and choose horizontal or vertical orientation and set spacing in pixels. Add Save File to write the result into files or add to album to save in photos. Run the shortcut to produce a single combined image from your test the shortcut and adjust Combine Images settings for spacing and background color. If needed, add Resize Images actions to set exact dimensions like 1920 by 1080 pixels. Use Crop Image actions to remove unwanted edges before combining the files. Add a final save file or add to album action to export the combined image. You can also include Share Sheet to send the image through messages or mail instantly. Reuse the shortcut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.